This question reads, an engineering firm deposits $500,000 in a savings account which pays 3% interest per annum, compounded continuously. Calculate the amount the account would accrue in 4 years. What is the time required for the amount to double? We are going to start by designating N as our amount. Using the formula, the N over the T, which is proportional to N. Recall, we are using our N as our amount. Now, whenever you have a proportional sign, to remove that sign, you have to add equality and your constant K. So this is going to yield the N over the T equals to Kn. We'll be taking integral of both sides. Integral of the N over N is equal to integral of K dt. But recall, integral of the N over N is the same thing as ln N. So that is going to yield ln N will be equal to Kt plus C. From here, to take away the ln, we are going to find the exponent of both sides. So this is going to be exponent of ln N will be equal to exponent of Kt plus C. The ln will cancel with the exponent, and this is going to yield N equals to exponent Kt times exponent C. But recall that our exponent C is the same thing as A because it is a constant. So we are going to have that our N will be equal to A exponent Kt. You can always denote this as your equation 1. It's very important. I'd like you to take note of this. Never trivialize the value of K and the value of A. It's very important. So from the question, at t equals to 0, we have that our N is equal to 500,000 and our K is equal to 3%, which is the same thing as 0.03. That is 3 divided by 100. We will be substituting this into our equation 1. If we must substitute this into our equation 1, we'll be having 500,000 will be equal to A exponent 0.03 times 0 because our t is 0. That is present time. So from here, you are going to have 500,000 will be equal to A exponent 0 multiplied with anything is 0. The exponent of 0 is 1. So we'll be having 500,000 will be equal to A times 1, which means that our A is equal to 500,000. From our equation 1, we are going to substitute the value of A in order to model the equation properly. From our equation 1, we are going to have that our N will be equal to 500,000 exponent of 0.03t. Now we'll be solving for the amount after 4 years. We are going to substitute the value of t to have our N, which is our amount. That means that our N will be equal to 500,000 exponent 0.03 times 4. From here, we will have that our N will be equal to 500,000 exponent 0.03 times 4 is the same thing as 0.12. Moving forward, we are going to have that our N will be equal to 500,000 times 1.1275. That is the exponent of 0.12. If you multiply these two, you are going to have that your n will be equal to 563,750. Therefore, our amount n is equal to $563,750. In our next video, I'll be giving a lot of quizzes. Do well to like and subscribe to my channel.